A very lovely morning to all my loving students. This is our online class for art and craft, and this is your color and craft book. First of all, take your color and craft book, one rough copy or any paper, your pencil, eraser and crayon along with you. Okay? And open your book. Students, in one of the previous classes, we have colored this butterfly and we have pasted stickers on it. Okay? So, I'm thinking that we can make butterflies. Isn't it a good idea to make a butterfly? So, let's just apply it. In today's class, we are not going to just color any picture, because today we are going to draw a butterfly. So take any your rough copy or rough paper, whatever you have. I have this kind of plain paper, so I am using it. You can use any. So first of all, write down date. As today is 12, so write down 12/6/2020. Okay, so what we have decided to draw? We have decided that we are going to draw butterfly. BUTTERFLY, butterfly. So let's just begin to draw. To make a butterfly, first of all, we will draw a circle. What we need to draw? A circle, and to make a perfect circle I am using this cap. You can also use any cap to make a circle. See, this is the circle. Now make two small oval shapes to make eyes. Like this, and then fill its half part, and then make its mouth like this, and then make its antenna. From this point, one will go right side and another will go left side. Okay, now from this point make oval shape like this, and this gone something. Now makes lines inside this. थोड़ी थोड़ी दूर में आपको ऐसी लाइंस बनानी है. ओके, like this. Yes, this is done. Now to make wings, keep your pencil here. और आपको क्या करना है? We will go upward, then we will come, then downward. Okay, let's just try. Start from here and like this. One-sided wings are ready. Similarly, we will make in this side also. From this point, go upward, then come. Yes, you can see wings are now ready. Now for its decoration, make a small circle inside them. 1, 2, 3 on the bigger one, and 1, 2 on the smaller. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can see our butterfly is ready. Now we will color this butterfly. So firstly, take brown crayon, color this part and the face with this brown one. Okay, I'm starting from this point. Follow outline. I have colored this. Now I'll color the face with the same brown color. After that, we will color the circles with different color, like in which firstly I have done with this purple color. Now I have taken this green one. After that I have taken yellow one. Then blue one. And then green one. You can also use different colors in the circle. Similarly in this part. So you can see circles are ready. Now we'll color the wings. Take red crayons with you and color the rest part. But remember, अब इस circles में color नहीं होना चाहिए, okay? Just color the rest part. Follow the borders. And borders के बाहर नहीं जाना है, okay? Yes, we have colored one side. Now, similarly, we will color the next side with the same red crayon. You can see this is how I am following the outline. Firstly do outline and then fill color inside. See, butterfly is ready. So you can also draw butterfly. Okay, you can take your parent help, but draw आपको खुद से करना है. Okay, so draw butterfly, color it, click picture and send it to me. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.